How to redeem the Steam gift cards. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Redeeming a Steam gift card involves converting the value of the card into funds that can be used to purchase games, software, downloadable contents, and other items available on the Steam platform. So, with purchasing a Steam gift card, you can access your Steam account, go to the redeem page, and access it to buy various kinds of products that is available on the Steam. Without any ado, let's get started with the process to redeem the gift card. First of all, log in into your account by opening the Steam, and then on the left top corner you have Steam gift card option. Tap on it and you will land to another page. It is from this page that you can access digital gift card. If you want to send via Steam, there is an option to send a digital Steam gift card or top up the wallet as well. Likewise, in the second tab, you have the option to find a retailer and redeem card. Tap on redeem card and here is the page whereby you have to update your details to top up the code to top up your Steam wallet. For that, first of all, you have to enter your Steam wallet top up code. Once that is done, tap on continue, and this way you will be able to redeem the gift card that you have purchased. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.